love. So we have a new backdrop. I think of backdrop as like a solid backdrop. I don't know. So new background. I went to at home. I vlogged it and picked up a few little things just to put back there. I think I'm gonna take the makeup down, maybe. I don't know. Switch it up. Because I just kind of wanted something a little more homey, a little more simple for right now. So this is what we're working with at the moment. Hopefully y'all like it. So today we're going to try out some new products. I'm sure you already saw at the beginning of this video what this look is going to look like. I don't have a full face of first impressions, but I've got a decent amount. So I thought it'd be fun to sit down and test them out together. So we're just going to jump in, and please subscribe if you haven't already and you want to be friends. Let's be friends. I mean, you don't have to, but it'd be cool. Yeah, let's do this. All right, you guys have been loving this little top bun. I mean, I have been too. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I wore this top bun yesterday and I slept in it. I did fix it a little bit, but she's a little crazy. And I can do a video soon if you guys want on how I do it. I'm finally getting a little more of the hang of it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna test out today is the CYO Long Lasting Foundation. You guys, I am so excited about this. I have heard Taylor talk about this for forever. Now Raw Beauty Christy loves it, so I'm excited. This is in the lightest shade, which is 101. This is what it looks like. She got a pump. I'm just using the Real Technique sponge today. It's not my absolute favorite. I prefer that Shot Miss one actually, but I forgot to bring it down here. Oh, this feels good because it's cold. It is warm in here. I'm just gonna blend this out. I think we'll be okay. The finish is really pretty. Ooh, she dewy. She dewy. Ooh, girl. That finish though. Wow. It literally just looks like my skin, but better. Smooth, and like the texture of my skin is still there. So if you have a bunch of texture, it's probably not gonna hide it, but it does just give you a really nice skin-like look. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'll update you guys in the description box on how this wears. I probably won't be doing a check-in tonight because it'll be so late. It's already like 5 p.m. right now, but I will definitely wear it probably for at least 8 hours. And I'll update you guys down in the description box. If you want a full review, we can do that later. But thank you, Taylor, for another bomb foundation recommendation. I do not have a new concealer, so we are just gonna pop on some Shape Tape really quick. Again, this is nothing new. You guys know I'm obsessed. This is Porcelain Beige. As always, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with the Cut Crease Canvas from Revolution. At the same time, hey, look at her nails are tragic. What's new? I'll never be good at doing nails, man. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend that out. Boop, 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 boop. All right, loves, I'm gonna pop on my brows really quick and be right back because again, nothing new, sorry. But we have new contour, we have a new highlight, we have new eyeshadow, we have new lashes, and a new lip. So let me just bust through these brows. I'll be right back. The new contour I got is this little highlight and contour 1 palette from Profusion. I got this at Walmart yesterday for like $4.97 or something like that, under $5. There were 2 different ones. This is obviously the 1, and then they have a 2 for deeper, like medium to deep skin tones. I assume this is for, it doesn't say, but I assume this is for like fair, light to light medium. We'll try the lightest one, and then I know I'm gonna go into this one because you guys know I live for like a bold contour. I'm just using my Visanti Blush 7 brush. I know it's a blush brush, but you girl. Okay, I'm just gonna mix them because I know myself. I just, without even thinking, went ahead and mixed them. So this guy, this guy. I've tried one other contour palette from Profusion and I actually really like it. So it's just much bigger than this one. I'm much more likely to use something this size. I like that. It's a little bit pinky, but a lot of contours will pull pinky on me because I'm so fair. All right, loves, I want all of the vlogging ideas from you guys. Let a girl know. Okay, I'm a turd and I just want to use Ravish. So I'm just going to use Ravish from Shop Miss. And as always, I'm just using my ColourPop F9 blush brush. It's my fave. It's not even a blush brush. I just use it for a blush brush. It's like a little tiny duo fiber brush, but I just feel like it blends my blush on so like seamlessly and naturally. Like I'm not a huge blush person. Like I have become one recently with these dollar blushes from Shop Miss because they are so glowy. Ooh, It's like just this one spot of that contour does not want to blend. Oh, see that glow? $1, you guys. It's so smooth. So love it. Still loving this foundation, by the way. Still loving it. It's been so long since I've loved any foundation besides the Conceal and Define, so. Okay, so the highlight we're going to use today is this one from Juvia's Place. I've never used one of their highlighters. I picked this up at Ulta. It was 25% off the other day, which was awesome. This is the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3. It's pretty metallic when you swatch it, so I'm hoping it's going to translate that way on the face. Oh yes, queen. And this is dry right now. I'm just putting on dry. Okay, loves, we have all 4 of the new Maxi Reloaded palettes. I was gonna do a bright one, but I kind of want to save that for palette bingo. It's gonna go with this BB because I just kind of want to do a simple look today. So this one is Large It Up. I'm gonna film a whole video on these so you guys can see more about them. This one, it looks so pretty, you guys. The finishes in here just look magical. Here is what it looks like on the inside, you guys. Oh my goodness, you see that there's so many different finishes. Like, look at that black with that glitter. Almost tempted to use that. Do I want to do a black smoky eye? Let's just do this. Let's just see what happens. What am I gonna put on my face? I think I want to do this one. And we're just gonna buff that into the crease, girl. Great pigmentation right off the bat. I'm not surprised. I have told you guys many times I love the Reloaded palettes from Revolution. They're my absolute favorite. First, I'm going to take that same shade to my lower lash line. This is just a shadow brush from BH Cosmetics. It's from the Essential Eyes Kit, just like this blender is. The Essential Eyes Kit from BH Cosmetics is so good. And I think it's like $12. I mean, it fluctuates because that's what BH Cosmetics does. They put stuff on sale. Sometimes it's less. I think the first time I got it was like $7 or $8 though for the whole set. I wish I'd bought multiples. I'm just going to take this little blender brush and I think we're just going to use this cream down here for the brow bone. Bring this down a little bit. I went a little bit too high. Before I go in with the black on, I'm going to do the black on my lid. We need to put something in the crease, kind of in between. I think I'm going to go with this guy. I'm just using the Carity E30. And I'm just going to put that right directly into my crease. That same shade to the lower lash line again. I'm going to take my ColourPop liner in Swerve. It's my favorite. I'm just going to run it along. And I'm going to do one eye at a time. And I'm just kind of drawing it in, not going above my crease. If you have hooded eyes like I do, it always helps on smoky eyes if you keep the darkest shade below your crease. Then it doesn't look like too much. Okay, so I've got that on there. I'm going to go right in and kind of buff it. I'm going to go ahead and take that black shade with the glitter. See, but when I tap it, it taps the glitter out. I can barely see any glitter, so that's a fail idea, but let's just keep going. So I've just kind of buffed it up into the crease, which is good because now I can just do the other eye and not tap off my brush and be fine. To the same shade that we used in the crease, and I'm just buffing. Okay, that's what we're looking at. Let's repeat it on the other eye. I'm going back in with that first shade we used as our transition shade and just kind of blending all the edges. And now I'm gonna go on the lower lash line, probably about halfway with this ColourPop pencil again. I'm just gonna buff it out. All right, love, so I went ahead and put on a lip liner. It's just ColourPop Grunge, but we're gonna go in with a lip now. This is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in Tea Rose, I believe. Tea Rose, yes. So it looks like this, totally like one of my colors. I like the way that they did the packaging. I feel like it's the least wasteful packaging I've ever seen, really. I really like these lashes. I think that with a less dramatic look, I'm gonna love them because they are kind of hard to see with all of this black shadow, but they're very pretty up close. This color looks beautiful, you guys. I like the little applicator. It's got a little indent so it holds the product well. I love how fine tip this little applicator is. It just, you can line your lips so easily. I think I'm gonna put just a little bit of this I Heart Revolution chocolate chip cookie dough. It's my favorite lip gloss of life. It smells so good. Oh, I just got my nose. The color is perfect. Smells so good. All right, love, so that is everything. Let's recap really quick on all of the new items that I have tried. I really love the foundation. I do feel like it oxidized a little bit because I can kind of see, I feel like my neck looks lighter than my face now. So I feel like this would be a really good shade for when I am self-tanned. It looks super fair on the monitor, but in person, I definitely look a little darker than my neck. But I'm wearing kind of a high colored shirt, so that'll be fine. Finish is beautiful, and it actually, I think it's settling in my smile lines right here a little bit less than the Revolution one even does. I always have to go back in and kind of tap it out. Love the foundation. I really liked the new contour palette from Profusion. Really love this. Really like this highlight. It's really pretty. Oop, I really like these lashes. Again, I think with a different look, I might like them even more. They work with this one, but I would rather wear slightly longer ones. These ones are really dense and fluffy. Like, you can see the difference in these two. They're still both kind of the same idea, but these are more long and wispy and these are more thick. Of course, I loved the eyeshadow palette. It was on par with any other Revolution Reloaded palette that I have tried. I didn't even, with the black, didn't even experience any fallout. So I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Per usual. I'm sure the other ones are going to be just as amazing. What else? Oh, and the lip. This is such a beautiful color. I'm excited to try this out and really see how it wears. I did, of course, put a lip gloss on top of it. Just when I have a full matte eye, I like to have a glossy lip. It's just what I do. So we already knew that I love this one, but this is a good one. So overall, that was a lot of wins. I liked literally everything that I tried that was new. If there are some new items that you guys want me to check out, especially if they are super affordable, let me know down below and I will try and do a first impression on them soon. Yeah, let me know what kind of look you guys want to see next. Let me know at all what kind of content you want to see down below. I think that is everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Okay. That was weak, Shannon. Oh. There's no cute way to do this, I promise. What's the wing, tiny hair? Get in there.